Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Flip to your iPad. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want the sound output of their iPad to be their JBL Flip. Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to power on your JBL Flip. Now it's pretty much the same no matter which JBL Flip model that you have, but the second thing that you're going to do is that you're going to press this Bluetooth icon right over here and wait until it goes into pairing mode. Now once it's in pairing mode, you want to go ahead onto your iPad and then click on the settings icon right here, and then you want to click on Bluetooth, and then you want to scroll down to where it says other devices, and you want to find your JBL Flip. So my JBL Flip is located right over here, so I'm just going to click on it, and then once it's connected, you're going to see it stop blinking blue on your JBL Flip. So on your iPad, you'll also see that your JBL Flip has been connected. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your JBL Flip to your iPad. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.